Hello, good morning guys, friends. How are you doing? So I hope you're all doing fine. So we are testing this outrigger jack because this is newly installed. It is leak, this jack and this jack. Outrigger jack. This is just newly repair, just done in the installation. This is the load to test the strength of this jack. This is 8 tons guys, 8 tons, 8,000 kilogram load. So we are hanging this load to test the strength of this outrigger jack, particularly this jack. Later we are also going to test this one, but for the meantime we are focused to test this jack. This is RT555 Terex Dimal. This is newly installed outrigger jack, newly repaired. So we are testing the strength by hanging the load. After 10 minutes, now we are shifting the load to this outrigger. So to test the strength of this outrigger jack, we need to focus the load on this side. So that's what we are doing now. By the way, this is 8 tons load, hanging to test the strength. RT555-1 Terex Dimal, 50 tons capacity. Thank you guys, thank you very much.